Babe, I'm not happy with this one. Look at the way everywhere is scary. Even the moon, not really come out. Everywhere just screaming, breaking news, breaking news.
Maybe I've told you now. Or lie. This town is my town. Nothing will happen to you.
But wait, why you not marry person for some? Like, you don't kill a bandit. And doctor go revive me.
Thank God, you don't wait.
Hey!
Is everything alright? What was that?
I want house that God.
How are you? It's my husband to be and my father-in-law. Yes,
Like what you have been already, they call him. I don't know.
he said, you know, why Hausa goes that my future husband and my father-in-law killed today. But they saved us. If not, by now, Baba.
See the way I struggle to get here.
Your brother, this man people, they eat him with a car. As a bona fide sponsor of the bandit, I will use all my resources to say that I killed that person. I killed your brother.
Your papa a bandit member.
No, that be the mind they do.
But he's still alive.
Musa.
Here, doctor, please save my brother. Honey, what are you want to get him? Why are you holding his neck?
I'm trying to check his pulse.
But I get to monopause.
We have done all we can. He did not make it, sorry.
It's okay. The good thing is Musa has gone to be with Allah. And tonight, Allah is going to give Musa 7 pages. 7 pages. I wish that I died.
7 virgins? When I'm still alive? No, not like 7 virgins. Ha. Come back tonight.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
This will be
Welcome to heaven. This is one of the virgins for you to enjoy. May you use this one. Take seafront and sing the bath. Hello? Mr. Mark, what's going on? Ankara, you know the great time.
My brother is back.
Musa, can you recognize any member of the basement that jam you with matter?
These are the people that hit me with the water.
What?
I've never seen you before in my life.
Yeah, just get the life.
I swear, in my father's life.
Stop it, Musa, stop it. You know what you're saying. This is my husband to be and his father-in-law.
Amina, let me get a while.
That's my phone. You take the phone?
Hey! Stop taking my phone from me. Keep my phone from me.
I mean, you take dead my phone.
Abubakar, lock the gate.
Rosa.
Let him bring my gun.
Please, please.
Oh, Allah Kuba.
They use of the cross to mix the Allah Kuba.
Not 2 factor authentication now.
What have I done?